Ang pagbili ng life insurance dapat aligned sa kung ano yung goal mo, hindi kung ano yung pinupush ng agent mo or ng bank. Alright? So if ang goal mo is life insurance, income replacement, ibig sabihin breadwinner ka, in case of death, kailangan may kapalit na income para sa family mo, para tuloy ang lifestyle nila. Ang highly recommended ko na product ng AIA is yung AIA Max Protect. Max Protect kasi ito pwedeng life insurance lang, tapos hindi siya VUL, wala ring investment, pure life insurance lang, and then very flexible yung riders na pwede mong ilagay. Pwede kang maglagay ng TPD, Total Permanent Disability, Personal Accident Insurance, Critical Illness, Hospitalization, or pwede ring wala, pwedeng pure insurance lang. No? Hindi rin to VUL, whole life insurance siya. Now, kung ang hanap mo is term insurance lang, pwede rin yung Guardian. No? Yung Guardian, ito yung term insurance namin na pwedeng yearly renewable. Merong fixed, yung premium mas mahal ng konti pero hanggang age 65 fixed na siya. Pwede rin namang every year tumataas yung premium para mura lang sa simula. Alright? Kung ang goal mo naman is health insurance, kung ang goal mo is health insurance, no, ang highly recommended ko talaga is yung AIA Critical Protect. Yung AIA Critical Protect, kung ang goal mo is critical illness coverage, hanggang age 100, ito yung product na solely focus sa critical illness. Alright, magiging life insurance lang siya pag hindi ka naka-claim. So, sobrang mura siya, no? And pwede from age 0 sa baby hanggang age 65. No? Of course, habang tumatanda, mas mahal. At kung gusto mo naman yung life insurance na mayroong health card, magkasama na, edi yung AIA Med Assist. So, meron kami product na ganun, yung Med Assist. Alright, VUL siya pero yung savings nun, yung investment nun is para lang may mawi-withdraw ka at age 65. Hindi siya investment. So, para lang pag hanggang age 65, hindi pa rin nagkasakit, may health fund ka pa rin. So pang health fund talaga siya. Or kung gusto mo purely health card lang, edi pwedeng yung Medicard kasi Medicard is already owned by AIA. So pwede yan, purely health card dyan. Meron yan mula ward hanggang semi-private, regular private, suite room, nagsisimula sa 10,000 plus a year, right? Pag standard, 25,000 a year, pataas kapag VIP. Right? Kung education funding naman for your kids para makapunta sila sa college, I highly recommend yung aming AIA Plus Signature. Kung gusto mo endowment plan para every 2 years may makukuha ka, alright? And then, guaranteed siya, hindi siya investment. No? So, guaranteed siya may makukuha ka every 2 years mula end of 6th year hanggang even lagpas na makagraduate, hanggang age 100 definitely. Or pwede rin yung Future Scholar. No? Kung okay ka sa VUL, yung Future Scholar, ayan, pwede rin yan. Pwede rin yan na kukunin mo kung open ka sa VUL. Itong Future Scholar kasi parang 50-50 siya. Kalahati, guaranteed. Or may makukuha ka from age 18, 19, 20, and 21. Tapos yung kalahati, VUL, invested. Para may opportunity na lumaki yung fund. Alright? And then lastly, kung ang goal mo is retirement, mag-retire ka na in the next 20 years or less, highly recommended product is yung Ascend. Si Ascend is also an endowment plan. Mula ika-6th year, may makukuha ka na every year until ika-20th year or hanggang age 65, depende dun sa design. Alright? So yun. And then may lump sum ka na makukuha, which is double the face amount. Alright? Minimum 1 million at age 65 or isa ka-20th year, depende sa variant na makukuha mo. And lastly, kung open ka sa VUL, pwede rin yung Future Protect. So, Future Protect is also a VUL. Partially, may insurance ka, and then partially it's invested over the long term. Alright? For me, minimum dapat talaga 20 years yan. It's the retirement plan or retirement product designed by AIA na dapat long term, no, ideally. No? Although may 7 years to pay lang siya, for me, dapat long term. Pang retirement mo talaga kakailanganin. So ikaw, alin dito sa mga products na to, yung fit sa goal mo, or alin yung goal, no? Alin yung goal na na-discuss ko, yung fit para sa'yo. Comment in the comment section or send me a PM kung meron kang questions.